Hi guys, welcome to yet another episode of GrammatiX. Those who are watching for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Welcome to the maths class. Today we will be doing mathematics and the chapter is algebraic expressions. So that is the first step to algebra. In arithmetic we use symbols to indicate operations that you have studied. So your operation is addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions. So these are the symbols used for mathematical operations. Next what we use is the symbols for numerals, that any type of numbers, that is 1, 5, 7, 11. So these are all symbols for numerals. In addition to this, we include the use of letters in place of numbers as placeholders. So any letter you can use it as a placeholder for the numerals, that is it can A, it can be X, it can be X and Y are the commonly used, others also we can use. Now such type of letters that we use as the placeholder for the numerals, actually these are all placeholders, that means used instead of a numeral. Such placeholders are called variables. That is the first term you will be studying here, that is the variables, and very important word it is, variables. So what are variables? Variables are the letters that we use in the place of a numeral. So we can see, just understand this in an example. If I want to write the sum of any two numbers, so we will be taking, let x be one number and y be another number. So x and y, if x and y are two numbers, how will you write the sum? So their sum will be x plus y, where x and y are any two different numbers. Maybe they can be same also, but x and y are two different numbers. So you can use x plus y. We don't know these numbers, so they are the variables. For another, if I am taking one more example, if I give a number added to itself, a number added to itself. So how will be, you write a number added to itself. So if x is the number, when we add it to itself, that is x plus x. Here it is understood that these both are the same numbers, and here these both are different numbers. Similarly, we can do it with multiplication as well as division also. Now we can see this statement, x is subtracted from y. So this is your second statement, x is subtracted from y. So since x is the number which is subtracted, so it will be obviously coming after the minus sign, that is y minus x. Since x is subtracted, this is what it is, x is subtracted from y. So you have to be very careful where to write x and where to write y. Since x is the number which is subtracted, so it will be just coming after the minus symbol. So this is how it is, y minus x. Third one is multiplication. Let us multiply two numbers and see how it is written. So multiply a and b. Okay. So a and b, when you are using the multiplication symbol, you can write a into b. Okay. Now here in algebra, we don't use the multiplication symbol as such, because it is always confusing with that x that we are using. So instead of that, we either don't put any symbol, or you can put a dot, or you can use a parenthesis. So you have three options, either you write it as a dot b, okay, or you just write it as ab without any symbol. Without any symbol means it is multiplication, or you can either put both the things in the brackets, parenthesis, or you can put one in a bracket, any method. So the use of parenthesis is it's important when you are using multiplication. So the multiplication symbol, we don't use it as such, so it is either a dot or you don't use any symbol, or you can use parenthesis for the same. So this is what is multiplication about. So the next one is division. You know the symbol for division is this is the symbol for division. So when x is divided by y, we write x divided by y. And same thing when you are using it as a rational number, that is with a numerator and a denominator, it becomes x divided by y. So this is what we use in algebraic expression. Instead of the symbol, we use a numerator and denominator, and this is what x divided by y. So this is what it means. So this is how the 4 operations are used in algebraic expressions. Next we will see how we can translate words into algebraic symbols. Now that is a very important part of algebra, to know how to translate the words, that means the statement, into algebraic symbols. Writing an algebraic expression correctly to what the given situation is called an algebraic representation. So let us see how we can write that. So these are some of the questions that I have written here, and we can see how we can change it into algebraic symbols. So these are the words, we are going to change it into algebraic symbols. First one, the sum of x and 5. Now here you have to understand certain words that indicate you the symbol or the operation that we have to do. So here the sum, it means addition. So we will be writing it as x plus 5. So this is how the sum changes into the operation plus. Here the product of 2 and y. So here the word products tells you that this is related to multiplication. So when we are writing it is 2y. See, we don't use the symbol of multiplication here, you just write it together. Okay. The third one, the number y subtracted from 100. So the number y is subtracted, so it will be 100 minus y. So subtracted, that is that symbol there. X divided by 5. So it will be x, it's divided by 5. So numerator is x and denominator is 5. 2 more than 5 times p. So here again you have that symbol, you have two things, 2 more than and 5 times p. So the first thing we will be doing 5 times p, that is p coming 5 times, that is 5p, and 2 more than, that is 5p plus 2. 2 more than 5 times p. So here it is 2 more than 5 times p. So the more than is the addition symbol and 5 times it's a multiplication. That's what we have done there. The square of x is x square, x to the power 2. So the cube of x is x to the power 3. It goes on like that. Then multiply p into p into p into p, that is p is multiplied 4 times. So it is p raised to 4. And the last one, the square root of x. So you have to use the symbol square root of your x. So these are some of the languages that we use, and this is the way you translate into algebraic symbols. So this is what we did in algebraic expressions. We will be continuing it in the coming classes. Thank you and bye.